That's me. My name is Annie, and today I'm going to show you what it's like to be a top-tier hunting dog. I wake up early, at 4 a.m. I start my day with my favorite food, hard, brown, vaguely meat-flavored pellets. They taste so good, I have them for every meal. I have to eat out of the special bowl because if I don't, I'll suck down my kibble faster than a Dyson V8. After breakfast, I jump in the truck and settle in for a nice long nap. It will be a couple hours before we get to the hunting spot. Sometimes we have to make a pit stop at the gas station on the way. It's so annoying. When we get to the hunting spot, I need to stretch my legs and get the lay of the land. I do this by running 2 miles worth of concentric circles while my human gets ready. I'm a chucker dog through and through, but today we are hunting Huns, or as I call them, the poor man's chucker. My human says they're as fun to hunt as chucker, but I think he's just being lazy. What's next? Duck hunting? I swear, if he tries to put me in a duck blind, I'll go on strike. A lot of times, we hike a long way before we find any birds. On this hunt, we were several hours in with nothing, but then I found this covey.
Hold. Good girl. Hey, bird. Annie, over here. What a good girl!
After the first covey, it was on. I immediately found another group just up the ravine.
Good girl. Here's the goat. Oh, right there. Hey, bird! Man, super pretty birds.
After getting those 2 birds, we walked past a swimming pool. The water looked so inviting.
Kicking back, no need to rush. Moments slow, we live them lush.
I only swam for a second though because I wanted to go find more birds. Refreshed from the swim, I headed up the mountain. All of a sudden, I smelled some quail. If Huns are the poor man's chucker, quail are the poor man's Hun. These birds hold so tight, I feel like I'm in a field trial. I could tell my human these are quail, but let's see how he reacts.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, bird. God, I can only shoot one of those. Good girl, Annie. God, the Huns were amongst the quail. Oh, good girl, Annie.
Sometimes I only bring the birds back halfway, just 'cause I feel like it. What's he gonna do? Fire me? I'm the star of the show. Right after that covey of quail jumped, I was able to find another single about 30 yards away.
Where are you? Where are you, Annie? Reveal yourself. God dang it, I don't want to. Is that you? Yes, that's you. There you are. She's just on the other side of this bush. Somewhere away from the car. Okay. Good girl, Annie. Got the paw lift. Dibbert! Good girl!
This year, my human switched to a gun that only has 2 shots. He wasn't that great of a shot when he had 5, so I'm not sure how having less shots is supposed to help the situation, but at least I get to point more birds. Sometimes I go on point a long way from my human, and it takes him forever to find me. In fact, I wrote a song about it.
I'm always waiting on my human that walks so slow. I've seen faster speeds watching meadow grass grow. The birds I'm holding won't be here forever, so stop lollygagging and get it together. I shouldn't get so worked up over this, because even when he gets here, he'll probably miss.
Dead bird, go get it, Annie! Dead bird, dead bird! Other way! That's the limit bird. Come here, Annie!
Huh. I guess my human isn't such a bad shot after all. Well, that about does it for a day in the life of a top-tier hunting dog. Thanks for watching.